Namaskar, greetings from Dr. Reena Pathak. The Thursday video today is about the song All Is Well. I was listening to the song and it just struck to me that it cannot be just a simple song. It's the way life needs to be led. In times of challenges, in times of anxiety and stress, we actually lose our control. But if we think on the words of the song, all is well, our whole thinking process goes on a different panel. We start thinking of the positive notes in our life. We start thinking how we can tackle the problem. And we realize that this stress is only a temporary bubble. Its existence is just transient. It is temporary. Like the bubble, it will burst and it will go away. So we should learn from the words of the song when life goes out of control. Just siti baja and just bolo, all is well. Because the words are very simple. They're talking about the murgi kya jane, ande ka kya hoga. So that's the ethos of life. That is what is in store, we are never aware. But if we succumb to the challenge, then we are gone. And in the same, if we actually fight it out, we don't fear the consequences which will come, and we know about the risk management, then we definitely go very motivated and excel in this battle of life. The trio that is represented there of Ranchan, Raju and Farhan, they also symbolize the essence of relationships, the essence of friendship, the essence of commitment. And if we understand the essence and we follow it with mindfulness, then we realize that some bonds are so strong in our life that they let us, go through any challenge that we face in life. It's like every dark cloud has a silver lining. If we see in the Bible, it also speaks about not to worry in many of the Psalms and the verses. The Hindu philosophy also talks about the dharma and the karma. That is, our karma decides what will be in store for us. So we accept the design of the Almighty, the Creator, and then we fight out for the future which is unknown. It is to be unraveled, it is to be revealed through the experiences that we gain in life. So my dear audience, anybody who's listening, we should know that stress is the part and parcel of our being, and these small experiences are the learning step towards the future. Stress is to be fought out, and there should be a reassurance within us in times of adversity. If we succumb to it, then we turn to be failures, and when we accept it and fight it out, we are the warriors and we are the successful heroes in the journey called life. So we have many such songs in Hollywood, Bollywood and elsewhere. We have many idioms, we have many proverbs which actually talk about this logic that all is well. We must have the faith, the belief that if our God is there, bestowing the love and care upon us, then no matter what comes our way, we will turn out successful. We also heard, "Ye mat kaho khuda se, teri mushkile badi hai. Mushkilon se keh do, mera khuda bada hai." So in the comment, I would love to listen to, or if you could write down any idiom, any proverb, any song which tells you this truth of life, and we would be joining in this learning process. Thank you.